at Nottoway Park for the first ever Latinx Conservation Month events here in Providence District.
Today we have our first in a series of events throughout the month of July at Nottoway Park designed to specifically engage and invite the Latino community to come and enjoy and learn about new green spaces. We as a community largely live in urban spaces with lower tree canopy, high impervious surfaces. You know, we've kind of lost our connection to the land. So the whole series of events is designed to be specifically inviting to the community.
We're hosting it in collaboration with Defensores de la Cuenca, with the Park Authority, with the Friends of Nottoway Park, Sierra Club, and so many others who helped make this event possible today. We know as a Latinx community, we love nature, we love our parks, and to really make sure that everything we do in the county really helps celebrate that it's for everyone, and to bring in our Latino community, not just for all of us who enjoy the park, but knowing that conservation is important to all of us and to help highlight and target the activities to our Latino community. Today we have tables from so many different organizations. Our Master Gardeners, Fairfax Water has helped out, and so many groups that brought information for people to explore.
Next week is at Lake Fairfax, where we're going to have a mushroom hike, water quality activities, kayaking, fishing, and access to the water park. And then we have another event on the 24th at Frying Pan Park, which is a working farm. Again, the idea is to invite people to new spaces, to learn about how we are all connected to nature and the environment. And each one of those offers different activities and opportunities to engage.